Hi, it's Maggie. I'm still sick, so bear with me, okay? It's Scraptember, and today's prompt is for the 24th is to use a wood veneer. So I have my pictures already matted. I'm using a freckled fawn, not an embellishment kit like I normally have. This is I think it's a Project Life kit. And I don't really do Project Life, so I use Project Life stuff for scrapbooking, full pages. So anyway, I have my pictures done, and I will find out what Freckled Fawn calls their 6x8 kits, and I'll link it in the comment section below. This is a conservatory in my neighborhood. It's protected, so no one, it's state owned. No one's going to be able to buy it and build on it and things like that. So it's, the fire department was in there and just doing a planned, controlled burn, so there's not like wildfires or, if someone threw a cigarette butt out the window on the highway, which is on the other side of this. So I'm walking, the pictures are taken from my neighborhood, so we're on the south side of it, and the highway is on the north side of it. No, that's not right. I'm sorry. We are on the west side of it, and the highway is on the north side. Oh, boy. So, it's just for preventive. So I got these little circles, and they're going to be like the base of my clusters. And these, they're like washi stickers, the flowers. But I don't know if I really like them. They're really thin, and you can see right through them. Yeah. So the title is going to be Great Day for a Controlled Burn. I actually forget to put that round chipboard piece on the layout until later. So that label right there is going to house the ending of my title. I'm sorry. So I have my wood veneer piece, which is part of the title, and I'm going to color it in with my dye, with my inks, and I'm going to blend it. And I really like how it turned out. So I just used washi to separate the two words. That's peacock feathers. And then I used, I think it was something olive, crushed olive, or I don't remember. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry, I just got distracted. My husband texted me. So I didn't like that color. It wasn't like green enough. So now I have key lime pie tattered angels mist, and this is a little bit bolder of a green. So I'm just moving the paint around, filling it in, and that looks good to me. So I'm going to place my stickers and some dots, enamel dots, and look at that. Things like this never happen to me. But how the wood veneer fits in that little nook is amazing. I love it. It's a happy accident. Hashtag Bob Ross. But I love how it just nuzzles right in there and fills that space. So I'm just taking a paper towel and just kind of blending where the two words meet. And I really, really like the final product here. And because I inked it, the tape wasn't really sticking. So I'm getting my wet adhesive out, moving that around with my finger, and I'm going to stick it down. And I love it. I have to say it, I love how that looks. And then it fits there so nicely. Like I said, that never happens to me. So here comes the dots. And I use those gemmy stars. Oh, and here's that last chipboard piece that I forgot to put on. So I like how this one turned out. And I'm just writing the date. And here comes some close-ups. And thanks so much for watching. Have a good night.